Hello students, in today's class we shall discuss about balancing a chemical equation using ion-electron method. So, how we balance a chemical equation using ion-electron method? So, at first we learn the rules. What are the rules? The first rule is write the given equation in ionic form. At first you have to write the given equation in ionic form. Next rule is identify elements undergoing oxidation and reduction. You have to identify the elements which is going oxidation and which is going reduction. Next rule is break the equation into two halves. First one is oxidation half and reduction half. You have to break the equation into oxidation half and reduction half. Next is balance the half equation. How you balance the half equation? At first, balance all other atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. You have to balance all other atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. Next is balance oxygen by adding H2O to the site deficient in oxygen. Next rule is balance hydrogen by adding H plus ion and balance charge by adding electron. Now next is add the two halves such that electrons in two halves get cancelled. And the last rule is for basic medium, at the end add as many OH minus to both sides as many H plus are added to the one side. So let's see one example and it will be cleared. So here we take this equation which is in acidic medium. Now at first we have to here the oxidation state of sulfur, we have to calculate this. So let the oxidation state of sulfur is X plus 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 2 or X equal to minus 2, these are minus 6, here plus 6, so plus 4. So the oxidation state of this sulfur is plus 4. Now here let the oxidation state of chromium is X, so 2 chromium, therefore 2X plus 2 into minus 7, that means minus 14 equal to minus 2 or 2X equal to 16 or X equal to 2X equal to minus 2 plus 14, 12. So plus 6. That means oxidation state of this chromium is plus 6. Here X, oxidation state of sulfur is X, minus 8 equal to minus 2 or X equal to plus 6. So this is also plus 6. So let's see, here the oxidation state from plus 4 we get plus 6. So oxidation state increases from here to here, oxidation state increases, that means oxidation occur, and here from plus 6 we get plus 3. So oxidation state reduce, so here reduction occur. What happens student? Here oxidation occur and here reduction occur. So the first rule was, what was the first rule? Write the given equation in ionic form and identify elements undergoing oxidation and reduction. So we identify the elements undergoing oxidation and reduction. This is oxidation reaction and this is reduction reaction. Then break the equation into two halves. How we break the equation now? Right here oxidation half and here we write reduction half. Oxidation half and reduction half. So at first SO3 2 minus, 2 SO4 2 minus, SO3 2 minus, 2 SO4 2 minus, and here we get Cr2O7 2 minus turns into Cr3 plus. So at first balance all other atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. Here one sulfur is present, here also. So this is balance. Now here 3 oxygen is present and here 4 oxygen is present. So here 1 oxygen is deficient. So the rule is add water to the oxygen deficient side. Here 1 oxygen is deficient, so 1 H2 is added. If 2 oxygen is deficient, then 2 H2O added. Now here H2, so add hydrogen. Now here 2 hydrogen is present, so we added here 2 H plus. Now add electron. Here SO3 2 minus, so and this is 0, so the total charge in this side is 2 minus and the total charge in this side is 2H plus and 2 minus, so 0. So we get here added 2 electron, here also 2 minus and here also 2 minus. So oxidation half is balanced. Now reduction half. Here 2 chromium is present, here 1 chromium is present, so we attach here 2. Here 2 chromium, here 2 chromium. Here 7 oxygen is present, here no oxygen is present, so we added here 7 H2O. Now here 7 into 2, 14 hydrogen is present, so we added here 14 H plus. Now balance the charge. So here student, here 2 minus and 14 plus, so here 12 plus. Are you understand? Here 12 plus and here is 2 3s are 6 plus. So here 6 plus, here 12 plus. So if we added here 6 electron, then here will be 6 plus and here will be 6 plus. So the equation is balanced. Now the next rule is add the two halves such that electrons in two halves get cancelled. Here 2 electron is present and here 6 electron is present. So we have to multiply this total reaction into 3. So what we get? We get 3 SO3 2 minus plus 3 H2O, 3 SO3 2 minus and 3 H2O turns into 3 SO4 2 minus plus 6H plus 6 electron. And the next one, it will be same. So we get here Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electron, and we get 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O. Now add this equation. So this 6 electron and this 6 electron get cancelled, and here 3 H2O and here 7 H2O. So here 4 H2O is present and these two are cancelled. Here 14H plus and here 6H plus. So we get plus 8H plus here. Now write the equation. 3 SO3 2 minus plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 8H plus. This is cancelled and we get here 3 SO4 2 minus plus 2 CO3 plus 4 H2O. this is cancelled and this is here we get. So now let's see if the equation is balanced or not. How we calculate? Here 3 sulfur is present, here also 3 sulfur is present. Now oxygen, here 3 3s are 9 and 7, that means 16 oxygen are present here, and here 3 4s are 12 plus 4 oxygen, 16 oxygen are present here also. Now here Cr2, 2 chromium, here 2 chromium, 8 hydrogen, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. So this equation is balanced. Now charge 2 minus 3, 2 minus, that means 6 minus, and 2 minus, 8 minus, plus 8 plus, that means this is 0 here. And here what happened? 3 2 minus, that means 6 minus, plus 2 3 is 6, 6 plus, 6 plus and 6 minus is 0. So this equation is balanced. So students, in this process we balance a equation by ion electron method. This is acidic medium. This is acidic medium. Now let's see the another basic medium, how we calculate. The process is same as acidic medium. At the end we have to add OH minus both side. Now let's see what happened here. Now at first we have to calculate the oxidation state of manganese. Let the oxidation state of manganese is X, minus 8 equal to minus 1, that means X equal to plus 7. So oxidation state of manganese is plus 7, this is minus 1. Now calculate this. Let the oxidation state of manganese is X here, minus 4 equal to 0, that means X equal to plus 4. So the oxidation state of manganese is plus 4 here. So what happened here? Plus 7 to plus 4. So oxidation state decreases. So what happened here? Here reduction occur. Understand student? Sorry. Here I2 is present. This is a mistake. This is I minus and this is 0. So what we get? From minus we get 0. That means oxidation number increases and oxidation occur. Are you understand? Now divide the equation into two half, oxidation half and reduction half. Oxidation half and reduction half. Now at first we take the oxidation half, I minus to I2, I minus to I2, and the another one is MnO4 minus to MnO2. Now at first balance this, there are 2 iodine is present, here 1, so add 2 here. In this position we added 2. So here no oxygen and no hydrogen, so charge balance. Here 2 minus, here no minus is present, so we had here 2 electron. Are you understand? Now let's see here. Here Mn, here 4 oxygen is present, here 2 oxygen is present, so add here 2 H2O, add here. So here 2 into 2, 4. So here we added 4 H plus. Here we added 4 H plus. So now balance the charge. 4 H plus minus 1, 3 H plus, here 0. So 3 H plus and here is 0. If we add here 3 electron, then the equation is balanced. Now here 2 electron is present, here 2 electron is present. We have to add the equation such that this electron gets cancelled. So we multiply this equation by 3 and we multiply this equation by 2. So what we get? We get 3 2s are 6 I minus 3I2 plus 6 electron, and here we get 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 6 electron and 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O. At first this electron and this electron get cancelled. Now write the equation 6I minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus turns into 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O. Are you understand, student? So let's see if the equation is balanced or not. Here 6 iodine is present, here 3 2s are 6 iodine is present, here 2 manganese, here 2 manganese, oxygen 2 4s are 8 oxygen, here 2 2s are 4 and 4 oxygen, 8 oxygen. Now hydrogen 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. Now balance the charge, here 6 minus plus 2 minus 8 minus plus 8 plus 0, and here no charge is present, so this is also 0. So this is the balanced form of this equation. So here this is we get in acidic medium, but we have to calculate this by basic medium. So what we have to, here 8H plus is present, so we have to add 8OH minus here, and also here 8OH minus. So here student, what happened, 8H plus and 8OH minus combine and form 8H2O, 8H2O, and here 4H2 is present, so this is cancelled and here 4H2O will remain. So we get 6I minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 4H2O, because we get here 8H2O, this is minus eliminated from 4H2O and we get 4H2O here, and 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus OH minus 8OH minus. Let's see now if the equation is balanced yet. Here 6I minus 6 iodine, here 6 iodine, 2 manganese, 2 manganese, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 8, 12 oxygen is present, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen is present, charge 6 iodine minus 2 minus 8 minus, and here 8 minus. So this is the balance from in basic medium. In basic medium. Are you understand, student? This is the process how we balance the equation by ion electron method.